Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. In this video, we'll be making these tasty cookies with few ingredients. We will start by adding 200 grams of soft butter into a bowl. If your butter is cold, put in the microwave for just 10 seconds. Next, we will add 1 cup of icing sugar. We will mix very well until it becomes creamy. You can use hand mixer for this step if you prefer. Next, we will add 3 cups of all-purpose flour and mix very well until it forms a dough. You can mix using a spatula or your hands, whichever one you prefer. Transfer the dough to a work surface and divide into 2 equal parts. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to one dough and mix very well to form a chocolate dough. Sprinkle some flour on the work surface and roll out the plain dough. Then cut using a small circle cutter. I dipped mine in flour first. Take out the excess dough. Next, we'll be using 3 different smaller circle cutters to make the design. This is the first circle. This is the second smaller one. And this is the smallest one. After designing, you will have this shape. Transfer to baking tray layered with parchment paper. Bake in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Then for the chocolate dough, we'll repeat the process just like in the plain one. We'll roll out, then we'll cut with circle cutter. Next, we'll design with the smaller cutters. You should have something like this afterwards. Place on a baking tray. Bake in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow to cool down completely after baking. Next, we'll add melted white chocolate on the chocolate cookies. You can choose to add yours on the plain one. It doesn't really matter. Then cover the chocolate cookies with the plain cookies. Now we have made these amazing delicious cookies. Would you pair yours with any beverage, or will you eat yours like that? Let me know in the comment section if you'll be recreating this recipe. I would also love to read about your questions, your recommendations, and your opinions. Please don't forget to support my channel by kindly subscribing, commenting, liking, and sharing the video to your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one.